All right, we have made it to lesson 64, the final quarter. Here we go. It is a lot going on. So today is kind of a preview day of the entire quarter to help you get a jump on things that are due, okay, and things that are going on. So our quarter long projects this time, you have grasshopper coding, you have two EverFis, you have 500 races for NitroType, and then you have a new how-to video. Okay, and all of these are on lesson 81. So, and they're already loaded into Google Classroom, as you can tell. Okay, so grasshopper coding, two EverFis. All right, now on the how-to video, you're going to attach a video explaining how something you do, like a hobby. Give me detailed instructions. Okay, so here's the rubric. The task is clearly explained. Instructions are easy to understand. The instructions are thorough, and the instruction has some sizzle, which means it makes it fun. All right, have some fun with it. And that is all due May 4th. Okay, and you got to jump to get on it today. Also, I have already loaded in 3 Edpuzzles for you. Remember, you're going to have to score above an 80 to get credit for those. And I've already loaded in the 6 brain pops that we want to get done. So if you want to get ahead, we have plenty of work for you to get ahead. On today's attendance, all right, fill out what grade you expect to make this quarter. Be sure and vote. We're down to 2 weeks. Let's make sure we keep pushing for Eisenhower to win. Select your grade. Then you are going to upload a screenshot of BrainPop, upload a screenshot of Edpuzzle, upload a screenshot of EverFi. All right, tell me where you're at, vote on your phone, and this will go down as your first grade for this quarter. So make sure that you upload those shots. And then the rest of today, you are starting on some of your work that is due, okay? I would highly recommend you start on your EverFi, Healthier Me. That's where you should get started. All right, let me know if you have any questions.